Couponing with Tisa.
Hey guys, happy Sunday to you. Don't pay attention to that red bag back there. I still got my Bath and Body Works stuff in the car. Anyway, it is Sunday. It is time to head into Walgreens to do these deals for this week. Some pretty decent deals that's going on this week, you guys, at Walgreens. So I'm not going to hold you up. Let's go ahead and get in the store and see what goodies we can find today.
No, I always got to come through with a good oral care deal. So Colgate, select ones are $2.99, get back a $2 register reward. The others are $3.99, get back a $4 register reward. If you do the $2 one or the $3.99 one, sorry, the $2.99 or the $3.99, I have a $1 digital coupon that's attaching to either one. That's the only coupon I have. But on the coupons.com app, there is also an additional $1 coupon rebate that's available on there as well. Don't forget, Colgate is one of the featured brands on Fetch Rewards. So check your account, see if you have any offers on there as well. Now, if you get the ones that are $2.99, you'll pay $5.98 before any coupons, $4.98 minus the coupon, minus the $2 register reward you'll get back, and the $1 on the coupons.com app. Leaves you at $1.98 or 99 cents each. But if you pick up two of them at $3.99, you'll pay $7.98, $6.98 after the $1 digital, $5.98 after the coupons.com app, minus the $4. Again, it'll be $1.98 for both of them, or 99 cents each. So either way, you can get some toothpaste for 99 cents each. So not a bad deal for some Colgate, but you know, we can get it for free too sometimes. Now, if you have any register rewards left from last week from doing any deals, you can use that. It will attach to one of the products as well to lessen your out-of-pocket expense. Of course, they got to compete. Oral-B does. So the toothpaste deal, the toothbrush deal is still going on. If you buy two at $4, you get the $4 register reward. Then there is also the 3 off of 2 digital coupon if you still have it. If not, you cannot use a coupon. But there's still the $2 rebate on Ibotta, but you have to get it fast before it disappears. Pick it up, use the coupon, get the rebate, makes it a $3 moneymaker. Now, here's a great deal on some Degree deodorant. They're on sale this week for buy one, get one half off. And we have a rebate on the ShopKick app as well for up to 500 buy and scan kicks. I already scanned it, so that's why it's already been used. So I'm going to pick up one of the dry sprays at $7.99, but then I'm going to pick up one of the solids as well at $6.79. They're also a part of the deal. The total for the two is $11.39, but I'm going to use a $1.25 digital coupon plus a $1.50 digital coupon for both of the products. Plus on Ibotta, we're going to get back $1.75 for the spray, and we'll get an additional $1.50 back for the solid as well. Add that with the 500 kicks we're going to get back, which is equivalent to $2. That's going to leave our total at just $3.39 or $1.70 each. Great deal. The Olay deal is still in effect this week. They're on sale for $7. Pick up 3 of them, you'll get back a $5 register reward. Sorry guys, $5 in Walgreens cash you'll get back for that deal. But there'll be $21. I have a $2 off of 2 digital coupon that's applying. Plus get back the $5 in Walgreens cash. So that's basically like buying 2 and getting 1 free for that deal. But not a great deal for me, so I'm not going to pick it up today. The soft soap hand soap is on sale again this week. When you buy one, you get 50% off, and when you buy 4, you get a $4 register reward. Now, as you can see, all the soft soaps in my store are valued at $2.99, even the small ones. If people aren't paying attention, they're going to miss that when they can get the bigger ones. Now, online, the smaller ones are $1.99, so it's better if you do it as a part of a pickup deal. There is a 50-cent digital that I have on my account that's attaching, and then you can get the $4 register reward back, but I'm going to skip out on doing this deal. Here's a deal on the Scott paper towels, and it's on the toilet tissue as well. When you buy one this week at regular price $5, you can get back get the other one for 50% off. No in-store coupons available in the app. However, if you go to the Scott website, you may be able to Scott and Cottonelle website, you may be able, not Cottonelle, sorry, Scott website, you may be able to find some printables. Same thing goes with the soft soap. Go to their website. you may be able to get some printables on there to help you lessen your out-of-pocket expense. And there is a visual of the Comfort Plus for you. That was a part of that Scott deal I just told you guys about. Always check your little clearance areas, you guys. You never know what you're going to find. Like these moon pies on clearance for just 10 cents. It's a pumpkin spice flavor, so don't know how that was going to taste, but there you go. Still in need of some tissue paper. Definitely recommend picking up this Walgreens brand, the Comfort Angel Soft one, well, compared to Angel Soft, but it's on sale this week for $3.99, plus you'll get 5% back in Walgreens cash. So that is a paper deal for you to pick up for this week. Unfortunately, the small ones is back to regular price, but when you better believe when they hit $1.99 again, I'm gonna stock up again. And it looks like the Walgreens brand of the paper towels are also on sale this week for $3.99. Now, here is the deal I have been waiting for, you guys. It is on the Complete Home brands. They are on sale this week. Buy one, get two free. So definitely going to be taking advantage of this deal this week. It's basically going to make them $1.16 each for those that are priced at $3.49. But for those priced at $2.79, it's going to make those just 93 cents each. So definitely a deal worth doing this week to stock up on these sandwich bags. There's a great deal that's going on with some of the Tide products and some other products as well. So you can pick up these Simply Tide pods. They're 4 for $9. You can also pick up the liquid down here. They're also 4 for $9. And moseying on down here, the Bounce dryer sheets are part of the deal. The Downy, which is out in this store, is also a part of that deal. The liquid detergent, the liquid fabric softener, and the small little baby ones of the Unstoppables are also a part of that 4 for $9. So here is a scenario of a deal that you can do with those that are on sale 4 for $9. Make it just $2.25 each item. It's a great deal on the Palmolive this week. They're on sale for $2.99, and when you pick up 2 of them, you'll get $3 in Walgreens cash. That means you can do this deal multiple times in the same transaction, and you'll still get back $3 Walgreens cash for picking up 2 of them. So pick up 2 at $2.99 each. That's going to make your total $5.98. I have a 75-cent off digital coupon that is applying, so that's going to leave me $5.23 out of pocket, but I'll get back the $3 in Walgreens cash, leaving me at just $3.23 for 2 of them. And when one of them is normal price $3.49, that's a really great deal. If the Purex crystals is your jam, this is a good week to pick them up at Walgreens. They are on sale, buy one get one free. So you'll pick up 2 of them and just pay $7.49. Well, there's a $2.25 coupon that's available on the Walgreens app. Plus, on Shopkicks, you can get up to 540 kicks, which is equivalent to $2.16. So with the $2.16 you're going to get back for Shopkick, plus using the $2.25 digital coupon, that's going to leave you at just $3.08 for both of them. So that's like $1.54 each. That's a huge difference from when they're just $7.49 for each one individually. So definitely a good deal to pick up this week. All right, y'all. So here is everything that I'm going to pick up in my hauls, because I'm going to do 2 separate transactions today. I have a digital spin booster for spend 20 get $5 on both of my accounts. So I'm going to pair this one with one of them. The spend 20 get back 6 for this one, and on this one I also have an additional spend 15 get $5. So I'll get $10 in Walgreens cash automatic on this transaction and $10 on this transaction as well. I'm also going to roll some of these register rewards that I have from last week just to lessen my out of pocket. So let's go check out and see how it all turns out. All right, guys, so I messed up on this deal and it was totally my bad. But here's my receipt. The storage bags, they were actually at $2.79 each. So if I would have read the fine print, I would have seen that they weren't at their regular price of $3.49, but they were all on sale for $2.79. So anyway, my bad. There's the Colgate, there's the Palmolive. My paper spin booster did attach. I rolled that $3 registry reward. The digitals came off, so it was $11.79 before tax, $12.83 after. Saved $24.61, but I only got back $8.19 as opposed to the $13.19 I would have got back My total was $19.54. So I missed it by 46 cents. And they're very particular at Walgreens about meeting that spend amount for your boosters. So I did not get my digital spend booster, but it was still a good deal. I did get the $4 register reward from the Colgate deal, and I'll get back the $1 on the coupons.com app. On my other account, there is a Degree deodorant. You see the other one was half price. It actually gave me $3.39. The Tide products, 4 for $9. That spin booster, the $4 register reward that I rolled, the $1.50 and the $1.25 register, digital coupons that went through as well. And my subtotal was $13.63 and $14.71 after tax, saved $26.31, and I did get back those the $6 and the $5 digital and paper spin booster with this deal. Plus, I'll load my receipt actually tomorrow to Ibotta because I want to make it a part of my midweek bonus for Ibotta. But I will get back the $1.25 and the $1.50 and the $1.75 rebates for the Degree deodorant. So cash out of pocket for me was $27.54, but I got back the $11.20 in Walgreens cash. I got back the $8.19 in Walgreens cash. I got back the $4 register rewards. The points on Swag Bucks, I got back 2 Swag Bucks, which is 2 cents for the toothpaste. The rebates that I got on Fetch Rewards for loading my receipt. The $2 on Shopkick I'll get back for the deodorant, plus the $1.75 and the $1.50 that I'm going to get back on Ibotta for the deodorants. That leaves my total at just and the $1 that I'm going to get back on coupons.com. That leaves everything at $7.70. So still a great haul, you guys. Don't forget to get out there and get these deals this week. Don't make the mistake I made with this, so you can get that extra spin booster if you have the paper and the digital. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and on TikTok. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and God bless. Peace out.